How would you like to be able to do work one time and profit from that for months and years to come? Now in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a secret YouTube passive cash method, which is going to allow you to create videos and profit from them for months and years to come. Now this isn't like anything you've seen before, and this method is literally been sitting under my nose, and I can't believe it took me this long to figure it out. So let's jump into it. This passive cash method earned Trevor over $7,589 in 1 month from simply creating very easy to duplicate videos. Now in this video, you're going to learn how you can actually do the work once and get paid month after month and year after year, as these videos are up forever and they're going to continuously get views and continuously make you money. Now you can start making commissions without any list or website. You can literally plug one of these videos in and start making commissions. This is a 100% copy and paste method that anybody can follow. So if you've never made videos before and you have no clue, you don't have to put your face out there, you don't have to do anything like that. You can actually create simple slides like the one that you're actually watching right now and replicate this formula for any product, any service, anything that you want. You can use this method, as it is 100% copy and paste, and it is super simple. Now there's brand new students that are seeing paid commissions within their first month, and I'm actually going to show you a video I did yesterday using this method that has already got 100 views and is ranking for all of its keywords. So in today's video, I'm going to be going over why YouTube is your best friend when it comes to creating passive income online, because like I said, you can create a video once, put it onto YouTube, and it's going to get views and get commissions around the clock without you having to do any extra work. Okay, you can easily get started today and create your first piece of passive income content once you actually go through the method. Now if you guys want to fast track your success, you want to get started right away, there is a link in the description below which will give you access to this training. Now I've got some bonuses which I'm going to be going over in this video as well, which will help you further excel your commissions and make income as quickly as possible. Now with this method, you can literally work less than 1 hour per day and scale it to a full-time income, which continues to scale with every piece of content that you create. So the more consistent you are, the more consistently that you upload videos and you implement this method, the more sales and the more commissions that you're going to make. Okay, this isn't a get rich quick overnight scheme. This isn't anything like that. You do have to put the work in, but this is passive income. Okay, there is nothing better than seeing a $250 commission come in from a video that you filmed years ago. Okay, that is an amazing feeling. So this method is a complete step-by-step guide going in depth into 2 top affiliates' secret methods on how they use YouTube, leveraging this method to create passive income. So like I said, you're going to get a complete 20 video series, which I'm going to be going over in this video, so make sure you stay to the very end, and you're going to be able to see over the shoulders of 2 top affiliates and their methods to create YouTube passive income. Okay, the link is in the description below, along with my bonuses, which like I said, I'll be going over near the end of this video. Alright, so without further ado, if you guys are enjoying the content, please hit that like button and subscribe if you want more online income tips. And let's jump live into my desktop, where again I'm going to be showing you some live proof of this super simple method. I'm also going to be doing a complete walkthrough of the 2 affiliates 20 video course. Again, the link is in the description if you guys want to pick that up. And I'm also going to be going over my exclusive bonus package, including my video ranking hacks, which you can actually get on YouTube for free. And I'll leave a link to my YouTube ranking training in the description of this video. So make sure you check out the description, as there will be the video 100% free, and I might even put it in a in a card, so make sure you look at the top of the screen there as well. And you're also going to get access to the 6-Figure Marketers Club, which is 100% free, where I'm going to be uploading some more training and things like that. So let's jump into this method. Okay, so what you're looking at right now is the sales page of the iPassive Profit method. Now again, this is using a simple YouTube method. Mark was able to pull in $7,500 in his first month using this method. Okay, so let me just scroll down here. You guys can see some income proof of the commissions that are rolling in, and these are all from making videos leveraging this YouTube method. Okay, now the product is only $12. I actually went ahead and picked it up. I'll be showing you guys the back office, and again, I'm going to be showing you guys, this is a video that I set up the other day, and it's already got 95 views. If I actually refresh this, let me just pause this here so it doesn't play. So it's got 95 views, 6 likes, and I've already been able to generate, I think, 10 or 15 leads going through one of my sales machines, which pays me $250 instant commissions. Okay, now if we look right here, this video is also ranking for all of these keywords, and it's ranked #1. So if I actually wanted to go, how to make $250 a day, you're going to see my video is right there. Okay, if I wanted to do, how to make $100 to $250 a day, my video is right there. Now some of these videos are getting tons and tons of views, so even if I can take a fraction of that and get this, maybe make a few sales from this video, that is going to be some amazing profit, and this video is going to be here forever. Okay, I actually had a $250 commission come through from a video I did about a year ago, and it was leveraging this method, but I didn't have everything fine-tuned as they actually teach you in the iPassive course. Okay, when you go through the iPassive course, they're going to walk you through the 20 video training is very in-depth, and it's going to cover every single thing that you need, so you can actually go out there and create what are called evergreen videos. Now most people will go out there and they'll create a review video. They'll go find iPassive, they'll say, hey, I'm gonna do an iPassive product review, right? But review videos only last for a certain amount of time. Okay, for the first launch week, you're gonna get some people looking at your review videos, but then it's going to die out. And I actually did this method before. You make some commissions off the front end, but it's not really passive. Now something like this, where it says, how to earn $120 or $100 to $250 every day, that is something that people are going to be searching for forever. They're never going to stop searching for how to make money. So this video is going to continuously bring in commissions and bring in sales, which is what we want. And same with the video that you're watching right now. I didn't go ahead and say iPassive review. I actually went ahead and say, hey, how do you want to create YouTube passive income? Okay, because leveraging the iPassive product is going to teach you how to create YouTube passive income. Okay, because now that I understand the method, I'm going to be going out there, finding different products, creating different videos, and profiting from this formula, because it literally just works. So as you guys see here, even the students are having some success. As you guys are seeing, this is a message. He taught it to one of his students, and he had his first $100 day. Okay, and then his chat continued on, where he was actually able to be on the top of the leaderboard. And as you guys see here, there's Trevor Carr with the #2 spot. Okay, so this method does work. You do have to implement it, but if you look here, they are making tons of traffic, tons of sales, over 521 sales just on this one product alone. Okay, so that is an amazing return, and like I said, these videos are going to continuously bring in sales. So let's go into the back office. This is actually the course in itself, so I'm going to give you guys a brief rundown of it, and then I'm going to show you guys my bonus page, and then we'll end off this video. Again, if you guys want to pick up iPassive, there is a link in the description below, and you will get all of my bonuses. Okay, so You're just going to get welcome to the course. If you picked up any of the OTOs, you can get some done for you video swipes, some red hot niches, and a 30-day fast track. Those are just things that are going to, help you get as much out of this product as you want. If you just want to purchase the product in itself, that's completely fine. The product in itself for $12 is a steal. Okay, so video number 1, just going to go over the method. Video 2, they're going to go over the platform you share, which is obviously YouTube. They're going to go some proof of the method, some commissions that have actually been made. Share a sale earnings, that's just another platform where you can go find products. Warrior Plus is another platform, and ClickBank is the last platform. Now all of these have thousands and thousands of products that you can go through, you can do these videos on, and you can actually promote and start making commissions. Now one thing that I really like about this is they go through the perfect video formula, but they actually also give you 2 videos of the actual formula in works. Okay, they're going to show you, hey, this is a video that made X amount of money, and you'll see that in the income proof, and they'll actually go live, which is really cool. And it's nice to see, because sometimes you can be told, hey, go make a video like this, but until you actually see a video that's made in that specific way, it makes it a lot easier to then replicate for a different product. Okay, so that's one thing that really helped me. And then obviously the Octane Evergreen video, which is what I spoke about. Those are the videos that are going to make you commissions for months and years to come, and those are the ones that you really want to focus on. So video number 10 is some bonuses. Now this is going to show you how to actually get bonuses, which you can give away to entice people to actually purchase your product. Okay, so people are going to purchase through, they're going to get X amount of dollars in bonuses, and that's going to make the deal sweeter for them to actually go ahead and purchase. So they're going to go through how to get your bonuses and create your own library of bonuses to give away. Okay, then they've got some YouTube updates. They have vidIQ, which is very similar to TubeBuddy, which is the one that I use. It's just going to give you analytics for YouTube. It's going to show you what keywords are good for ranking and things like that. I'll actually, like I said in the video below, there'll be my YouTube ranking tricks, which you can go through, and then they're going to go through how to actually set up thumbnails, how to do the review video versus evergreen video, which we kind of went over already, and then they're going to show you some live examples, which is pretty awesome as well, and then just some final notes and things like that. So all in all, I believe this is a great course. If if you're not making money on YouTube, if you're not even making videos on YouTube, definitely pick up this course, and it's going to help you start making some passive income. Okay guys, now to quickly go over the bonuses when you purchase this product. The first video, I'm going to put the YouTube ranking secrets there, so you guys can go ahead and watch that. I'm also going to be giving away another video. These are all from Brendan Mace, who is a top affiliate in the affiliate marketing world. And one of these bonuses is how to actually use bonuses to profit and to increase your commissions. Another one is a mail interview where he's going to walk you through some email marketing secrets. There's another video on how to actually create Facebook groups. So Facebook groups are a great way to get everybody into one area where you can actually promote and promote whatever offer you want, or just have a tight-knit community for a specific niche. Okay, and then $10,000 per month sending emails. Now email marketing is by far something that everybody needs to focus on, and if you're not focusing on email marketing, you are definitely screwing yourself. So those are the bonuses. If you guys decide to get iPassive through the link in the description below, you will get access to those bonuses. And again, you'll also get access to the 6-Figure Marketers Club, which is my Facebook group, and there is a Facebook training method inside of that group as well. So all those cool bonuses if you guys decide to pick up iPassive through the link in the description below. So that's it, everybody. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you guys got some value from this. I hope you guys were able to, have a bird's eye view of the method that you can actually create passive income with. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It'll really, really help me out. Help me get this video out to as many people as possible, and share this method with as many people as possible so that everybody can tap into some YouTube passive income. If you guys want to stay tuned for more videos, make sure hit that subscribe button down below, and I want to thank you for tuning in if you've made it this far. Alright, this is Dylan Afazio with the Six Figure Marketers Club. Making money online doesn't have to be difficult when you do what works, okay? So I'll see you guys in the next video, and have a great day.